Yes, I said no me blog a story be ma about the fact say at the end of the season one where Kumasi Asante Kotoko all the three captains yin who more which is Danlad Ibrahim, Richmond Lamte and Mfegue Rodriguez. Na enumere information bi amense ka no I was say me update you ewo efie ha na unya de ekọ aha ye Super 24 TV. Information de bi o wi ase to hope na was ye de brew quickly yen semre wo stories no ho kra Mfegue ubeka say Kotoko sign in 2021 together with Etoga and Bella. Na Bella there unya contract na okoye na se say Mfegue in the contract na bebe wi after the season where the same thing applies to Danlad. Hey, quickly, my man wish Akosia Peggy happy birthday. Rebia Akosia hume or YouTube knows me Kotoko nsem or si no Kotoko no senior citizen star enti sa o blog Kotoko stories na me di me birthday masa for me to screen also YouTube na wish me enti Akosia beg motufo nyankopon hia no nye wakoma so ade nyina Emma happy birthday to Mia Madie nyina Akosia Peggy na mi sha wate na mi sha Kotoko abusuan no mo papa yo Kotoko ni enti o kan na wo se me yema enti etiefo were ma me fam quickly mam now sene me kan no Mbella ne Etoga ne buy in 2021 na Mbella no avion na obaye no ye describe it as highly rated. Yes. But unfortunately, first season second season off and on, and third season akoye bibi ho. Information about say at the end of the season, Kotoko ankasa nye ready so may extend the contract no after the end of the season no. And unia the other captain, which is the main captain, Danlad Ibrahim unso. According to information enumere ba ne say Danlad nye ready say kromo ha no. Obesan ma team bia. Danlad is willing only to leave Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the case say the agent which is you see if chips are more in your foreign contracts manner. That is what I'm told. But in the event say bibisa amba Danlad dey ready so obetena Kotoko na wa fight for the position. That is information eba and yenyina any Richmond Lamte situation is say extension of 1 year but with option to sell send be ya Kotoko ebenyeska Richmond Lamte there watching from afar as a local league na say opa bruchiri ni biako na ja so we see them be or they akobone down so that is information eba I say me blog him out na me de Mfegue minim say o say ye man a chance na mukwala ekọ no ye mfa ye range ni mu no lead Kotoko line na eno so your argument some mpanyifo AD but at the end of the day they be pie bia they be bro ofia.